Hi there everyone, and in this video let's take a look at one of the latest GoPro accessories for GoPro Hero 8 Black, which is the GoPro Sleeve Lanyard. Alright, so welcome back to my channel, and as I said, in this video we are taking a closer look at the GoPro Sleeve Lanyard accessory. And this accessory is designed for those of you who want to actually have a more of a traditional camera just on the go. If you are going for a short trip with your family or kids and you just want to grab a quick picture or maybe a quick video, you don't want to lose your camera, so you are holding it on a leash or around your wrist or maybe around your neck. So it's really easy to use, pretty convenient if you want to have your hands free and quickly grab your camera just to take a couple of photos or videos. So let's take a closer look at it. As you guys see, this accessory is made out of premium silicone sleeve, which is gonna give you that extra little bit of protection in case you, for example, drop your camera, and the material is a little bit thick, as you guys see, so when you drop it, I'm pretty sure it's gonna protect it, though it's a little bit, as you guys see, the lens, you have to watch out for the lens because it's a little bit uncovered, though it's really aligning with it pretty nicely. And this accessory is really nice if you want to personalize your GoPro a little bit, because it comes in a variety of colors and you can choose from colors like, for example, blue, black, white and many others which are available on GoPro website. As I said, this accessory is mostly designed for those of you who want to use your GoPro in a more traditional way, like a normal point-and-shoot camera on your trip with your family and kids. This accessory has now an access to built-in fingers to mount your camera in a more traditional way. So if you want to give it a little bit of extra protection and still mount it, then you still can use it, because you have access to screw your GoPro to any other traditional mounts. So the Sleeve Lanyard allows access to camera buttons, one on the top, which is for recording or taking photos, and if you want to change modes, you can easily do it with the button on the side or turn it on, and still it gives you an access to LCD screen that is on the back of the camera. And also, if you want to have a quick peek what settings you are shooting on, and the camera is, for example, mounted somewhere, you can still use the front screen as well. There are a few holes for the microphone, so there is one microphone in here and a hole for the second microphone as well as, and hidden are the built-in fingers of a frame. So this accessory costs around $20 and is available on GoPro website. If you want to order it, then go for it, as it's a really cool and easy to use accessory. Alright, I hope that this video was informative and you have learned something from it. If you like this video about GoPro Hero 8 Sleeve Lanyard, consider subscribing to my channel, as it's gonna help me tremendously. You can leave a comment below, hit that like button or notification if you don't want to miss any videos in the future. And as always guys, see you in the next one. Bye!